That's it, doing well. Yep, doing well.
Oh, this is freaking me out.
You don't have to do it.
Look, it's your car.
It's my car. Stop inspiring me with confidence.
G'day guys, well, your UHF radio is only going to be as good as the antenna that it is running, and I'm running a brand new one here. This is from Uniden and it's called the ATX 970 model. Now it's a brand new heavy duty design that's really designed for outback tourers like myself. Couple of interesting bits about it. We're running a pretty heavy duty stainless steel spring on the base of it. And in terms of my ATX model, it's quite tall, so it gives you some fantastic distance when you're traveling on those really long dirt roads. But I've fitted this new sneaky foldable mount to the base of it. So if you need to duck into a sneaky motel room or something that's got limited clearance, or you've got limited clearance in your garage at home, you can pull that down, and it does lock in at various different intervals there, so you can keep it folded down there and it's not going to go anywhere. So really handy thing. Now I do have the ATX 970, which is a reasonably tall model, but if you don't want that foldable base and you want something that's a little bit more conservative, I suppose, you might want to check out what we've got on our Ford Everest, and that is just basically a shorter version of this one. It's still in that ATX range, it's still robust and tough and everything like that, heavy duty. And keep in mind, these things, they're made by Uniden. They've been around since 1966, Japanese company, and they really tend not to stuff around when they make their CB radios. Everything is done with quality in mind, and I really would recommend going for quality when it comes to UHF CB radios, because it's one of those things that when you're traveling in convoy, you're literally using these things every 5 or 10 minutes. You use them a lot. If the quality's not there, it becomes really frustrating on the road. And what you really find with some of the cheaper CB radios that are out there is that their speaker quality will be inferior. So you might still have the right sort of power. They might be a 5-watt system. Everything on the specs box works well, but when you start listening, it really becomes difficult because of a crackly, poor quality speaker that you can't hear over your stereo and the like. So yeah, I really would recommend going for quality when you are shopping for a CB radio. I've been running these Unidens for years and they have worked an absolute treat. If you're interested in the tech specs, it is a 6.6 dBi radome fiberglass antenna. I think all that means that it sounds bloody good from in your cab, and it grabs some pretty serious distance. So make sure you check it out when you're shopping for some comms gear for your 4x4.